Let us take a look at some of the numeric based single row functions. Function ABS gives us the absolute value of the numerical that we pass. If it's a negative number, then it still gives just the value. And if it's a positive number, again it just gives the value. Function round helps us in rounding the numbers. If we pass just an integer without any decimal, it doesn't do anything. If we pass a decimal number, then it rounds to the non-decimal value, which is 226 here. We can also control where the rounding should occur by using one more parameter after comma. So here 2 means round at the second digit from the right of the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3 is the second digit. So since 4 is lesser than 5, this stays as 3. So 225.63. And a negative number means go to the opposite direction from the decimal point. So from the decimal point, go to the first digit, which is 5. Okay, since 5 is equal to 5, so this becomes 3. So 230. Ceil is a function which always goes to the higher value. It's kind of like round, but it always goes to the higher value. Whether it's 0.1 or 0.9, both get bumped to 226. Floor is the opposite of ceil. It will always go to the lower value, which is whether it's 0.1 or 0.9, it will go back to 225. For example, if I want to find 4 square, then I can use this power function. So power function, the number and the power which we need. Okay, so this will be 4 square is 16 and 512 square is this number. Square root function gives the square root of the number. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of this number is 512. We can use the modulus function to find a remainder. Modulus function can also be used to find an even number or odd number. Anything with a modulus of 2, if there is a remainder, then it's an odd number. So here the remainder would be 2, right? After dividing it by 10. So 2 comes here. Here the remainder would be 9. So 9 comes here. Okay. We can use this remainder function, which is kind of equivalent to modulus, but it works in a different way. Okay. So here the remainder is 2. So it shows it as 2. And here the remainder is 5. It shows it as 5. Anything above 5, which is above the half of 10, will be counted from backwards. For example, a remainder of 6 will be minus 4 of 10. A remainder of 9 will be minus 1 of 10. Sign function gives the sign of the number. If it's negative, it gives minus 1. If it's 0, it just says 0. If it's a positive number, it gives plus 1. Trunc function just truncates to the precision that we want. A 2 means truncate here. So this digit is gone. Okay, and minus 2 means here. Okay, so this becomes 0, this also becomes 0, it becomes 200. Of course, these all can be used on a numerical based column. For example, I'm selecting salary and then I am applying round function on salary column, gives me this output. I'm rounding using the third digit to the left of the decimal. If you notice here, 4800 becomes 5000. Thank you for watching.